Get out of the car now.
You're progressing this a lot.
Hey. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
On April 26, 2023, an officer noticed a speeding vehicle in a school zone. When he activated his sirens, the driver would not pull over.
Pull over. Pull over. Let that window down. How many places do you have to pull over there?
Sir?
Do you not see?
I wanted to get out of the way of school traffic.
You see these parking spots on the side of the road? All these places you could have pulled it on the side. What's the speed limit coming through that school zone there?
I noticed the school zone, that's why I stopped. So that's why as soon as I was...
You slowed down once you got in the school zone.
Once I saw the lights, I slowed down to the school zone limit. Wasn't paying attention at first about the school zone. And then when I see the lights where the school zone starts, I was like, oh shit, and I stopped real quickly. Yeah. But I did bring myself back down to the school zone limit.
So that's something you do once you get to that sign?
I've been there before.
Not when you're in the middle of the school zone?
No,
let me explain something to you. Once I even observed you at the rate of speed you were coming, that's why I slowed down and stopped right there, because I was coming to get you. You slowed down, because not only that, I watched your speed decrease once you got in there, and then the front of your vehicle dipped down. So...
I was slow. I was
77.
I was
stopping.
All
right, so time out. Hear me out. Just hear me out. I'm not even gonna get into it with you, man.
Yeah.
My thing is, speed limit fine is doubled. When you go through that school zone, I need you to just hear me out right now. I'm not gonna have a debate with you. We can make this short and sweet.
I didn't notice it because I'm not used to driving at this time of day.
So would that be an excuse if somebody was walking there? Sir, again, you're not listening to me, sir. All I'm trying to do is explain something to you. I can give you a verbal warning, or I can cite you for speeding in the school zone and failure to yield for the emergency vehicle. Your excuses as to why you were trying to get out of school traffic, you were way out of school traffic, which is why I hit my horn and signal and do like this to pull over to the right. I'm not trying to be that guy with you, but when you're getting pulled over, we're trying to explain something to you. The thing to do is to listen. Okay, you're coming through that school zone speeding. You had every opportunity to pull over to every entrance, every driveway, all these parking spots on the side of the road. You always pull to the right for emergency vehicle. There is no excuse for that.
Yes.
Do you have a valid driver's license?
I do, and unfortunately, I don't have it with me because I went to go try to get my friends' kids to go make sure that they get to school, and my driver's license, I can't find it.
What does the Florida law state about having your driver's license only while you're operating a motor vehicle in the state of Florida?
You have to have it.
Yeah. So not having that, not having proof of insurance, not having registration, all those are citations.
I have proof of insurance.
And your registration?
And registration.
Okay. I'm not the one to try to take money out of anybody's pocket, but I'm going to tell you right now, if you want to have a debate with me on this and that, man, I'm by the book.
Yeah, and I appreciate that from your end.
Have you had anything to drink, any medications, anything of that nature?
I have medications at night, and then last night we had some drinks.
Have you had anything? Are you under influence right now? The only reason I'm asking that because your speech is somewhat slurred.
I don't think so.
What do you mean you don't think so?
I don't believe I could be, because we had drinks, like, last time I had drinks was maybe 2.
All right. Do me a favor, step out of the vehicle.
I had drinks at 2 o'clock in the morning.
Do me a favor, step out of the vehicle. Sierra 12, call me.
So we're gonna do this now. I literally run right now. Do I have to get out?
You make 1025 with Sierra 523.
I have many ailments and things. Can I please not do this right now?
Hey. Alright, so you're not gonna get out of the vehicle?
Can I please not?
Listen, you're making things a lot difficult than it needs to be right now.
No, sir. No, sir. I don't want to...
I've given you a lawful order. Okay.
I mean, what's gonna go on right now? Are you going to pull me out of the car for what?
I've asked you 2 times to step out of the vehicle. I've asked you, now I'm asking you a 3rd time.
Can you not call extra, please?
You're not listening.
I will come out. I will...
12, 11, 4, what's your 1020?
Can you please not bring a lot of people
Listen.
on me? And you know what? You pulling on me is not nice.
Have I pulled on you?
You got your hand on a weapon.
Yeah, because you're failing to comply with a lawful order I've given you.
My hands are right here.
Yeah, now they are. Now they are.
They've been here. Okay.
I've asked you 3 times to step out of the car, and you refuse to do
I
it.
want to step out of the car. Will you not?
But I've asked you 3 times to do it. Now we're past that.
Will you please not? No, man.
Hey, stop. Stay in the car.
What is
Hey,
it?
stay
What is
in the
going
car.
on with
No, you don't want to listen. I'm not playing this game with you right now.
No.
He was coming through the school zone a little bit too fast in his brakes, and when I let him up, it took him forever to pull over. He wouldn't stop. His speech is slurred, so I asked him if he'd been drinking, and he said his last drink was up by 2. And I've asked him to step out of the car 3 times, and he's refused to get out all 3 times.
What's your name, bud?
My name's Paul.
Paul?
Yes, sir.
Let me explain something to you. You're going to step out of the car, okay? And you're going to do everything that this deputy asked you to.
I asked him if you could please not bring a lot of people involved in this. It makes it really difficult for me. He was drawing on his taser there, and it affects me a lot.
So here's what you're going to do. We're going to open your door. You're going to step out of the car. You're going to do what the deputy asked you to do so that nobody gets hurt.
Can
You
I
understand what I'm saying to you?
Yes, I absolutely do, but can you do me one thing?
Sure.
Can I just go to my house? It's right there.
We'll work on that. Step out of the car.
And not make any more scene of this?
Step out of the car. If you do not step out of the car, I'm going to take you out of the car. Do you understand what I'm telling you?
Goodness.
Get out of the car now.
You're progressing this a lot.
Hey, get out of the car! Get out of the car! What the fuck? Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Go ahead, Daisy.
What the fuck? No!
Get out of the car and get on the ground.
What the fuck, dude?
Oh, shit, sorry.
Stop!
Stop
Get
on the ground.
Why are you doing that?
See your taser pulling still fighting.
I'm not fighting you at all.
Stop!
Oh, shit, man. Again, man. Stop it, man.
Stop it.
Dude, I'm stop. I'm sorry. I can go again. I'm detained. Am I being detained?
Pulling your hand, man.
Am I being detained? Why am I being detained? Why am I being detained? I didn't this.
Sorry about this.
I have a broken shoulder from war. Man, you're gonna do this to a war vet. Dude, you're gonna do this to a war vet.
Columbia.
Look,
477.
really?
EMS.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You're just gonna kill me?
I didn't double lock the
You're
car.
just gonna kill. Just kill me.
Stop, man.
Just kill me. Just kill me. Kill me, please. Kill me, please. I wanna die right now. Kill me. Kill me. Kill me. I wanna die. Stop it. Please. Let go of me, Thomas, please. My shoulder. Ah! I got a disability. I'm disabled.
Relax.
I'm fucking 80%. Stop it. Disabled. Please stop it. My shoulder. Oh! Oh! Let go of my shoulder!
Hold of that.
Let go of my shoulder!
Leg iron.
Ah! Let it out of me! Please listen! Can you loosen it, please? Please, I got a bad disability! I got a bad disability! I'm 80% disabled! Please!
Nah, it's my damn elbow.
Please!
Damn.
My shoulder! Ah! Get out of my shoulder, please! Let that loose! I'm not gonna hurt you! I promise
Sorry for
you!
getting that.
I fought for this country! I will not hurt you! I protect this country! Let me out of here, please!
Nope.
It hurts too
Not
bad!
happening.
Please, thank you,
Be
please!
quiet.
Be quiet!
Just be quiet.
Am I a target for you? Did I hurt you?
Be quiet. Relax.
Can you double cuff me, please? I have a shoulder injury from the war. Can I please get double cuffed? Please.
Give me 1 second, man.
Please, pretty please. My shoulder is on fire right now. You're injuring me further right now. You don't understand this, but you're injuring me further. Please. It's really bad. I'm a veteran. I don't know why you have so many people here. I cannot deal with this.
That's why.
What?
You called them all here.
No, I did not.
You did. All you have to do is get out of the car.
Can you please listen to this stuff? I cannot. I have a physical injury from war. Please let me.
What
Please
branch of the
let me.
service were you in?
I'm the army.
Well, you sure don't carry yourself with a military.
I wasn't expecting to be surprised by somebody tasing me after like one request to get out of the car.
The suspect was charged with DUI, unlawful blood alcohol, and resisting officer.